If you're choosing between the Asus ROG Strix XG27ACS and the AOC Q27G3XMN, this isn't just IPS versus VA. It's motion clarity versus HDR immersion. So, which gaming monitor is actually better? Let's break it down. The Asus ROG Strix XG27ACS is built for speed and balance. It uses a fast IPS panel with excellent motion clarity, low input lag, and strong response times, making it especially good for FPS and competitive gaming. A lot of reviewers describe it as one of the best value all-around 1440p gaming monitors right now. It also has better viewing angles and cleaner desktop performance for productivity or web browsing. But here's the catch. HDR is weak. It technically supports HDR 400, but without local dimming, the HDR experience is nowhere near true HDR. The AOC Q27G3XMN takes the opposite approach. It uses a mini LED VA panel with local dimming, which gives a dramatically better contrast, deeper blacks, and much stronger HDR performance. For cinematic games like Cyberpunk, Elden Ring, or story-driven titles, the difference is immediately noticeable. The downside is VA-related issues. Motion clarity isn't as clean as the Asus, and some users report VRR flicker or black smearing in darker scenes. So, which one is better for gaming? Choose the Asus ROG Strix XG27ACS if you want better competitive gaming performance, cleaner motion, and stronger all-around usability. Choose the AOC Q27G3XMN if you want far better HDR, deeper blacks, and a more immersive single-player gaming experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.